Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by powering down and clearing the immediate area. This minimizes damage and helps you focus. Once powered off, remove the case, SIM tray, and any screen protector so you can access the display surface. Make sure you have a soft cloth, a gentle pixel refresh app or 0.5% isopropyl gel pad for light cleaning, and steady power available. Now boot into a low brightness testing mode. This lets you see fixed pixels more clearly and prepares the phone for the corrective step ahead. You will run a color cycle routine to shift stuck pixels and blend image remnants. This is the main corrective action. Once the app is running, set it to cycle through solid colors at moderate speed for 10 to 30 minutes, longer if the burn is mild. While the cycle runs, gently clean the screen in circular motions to remove residue that can accentuate burn. Make sure the phone stays plugged in and at about 50% brightness so you avoid heat-related damage while the pixels attempt to recover. You will now evaluate the outcome. Power down, wipe the display, then power up and inspect under normal lighting. If you see partial improvement, repeat the color cycle once or twice. Incremental gains are common. If there's no noticeable change, switch to a longer grayscale cycle for about 1 hour, and if that fails, seek a professional assessment because hardware replacement may be needed. As a precaution, prevent recurrence by using auto-hide navigation, dark mode, and shorter screen timeouts to avoid prolonged static images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.